Horsehair might seem ordinary, but it is the secret behind some of the world's most luxurious products. Today, we'll take you inside a real horsehair factory to see how it's collected and transformed. The quality of horsehair starts with healthy, well-cared-for horses. Every mane and tail is inspected before any hair is collected. Workers gently comb the horse's manes and tails. Only the strongest, longest hairs are collected for luxury products. Collected hair is sorted by length, thickness, and color. This ensures consistency for high-end products like violin bows. The hair is washed and sterilized to remove dirt and oils. Clean hair ensures smooth performance in instruments and upholstery. After washing, horsehair is carefully dried on racks. Controlled drying keeps the fibers flexible and strong. Some hairs are conditioned to maintain flexibility and shine. This step is essential for delicate products like violin bows. Horsehair is dyed or enhanced to meet product requirements. The natural beauty of the hair is preserved while adjusting shades. The hair goes through machines to comb and align the fibers. This guarantees smoothness, shine, and strength for final products. Skilled artisans carefully attach the horsehair to violin bows. Every strand is adjusted to ensure optimal performance. Horsehair is woven into high-end upholstery for cars and furniture. It adds both durability and elegance to premium products. Every bundle undergoes strict quality control. Length, color, and texture are checked before shipment. High-quality horsehair is carefully packaged for delivery. Proper packaging ensures fibers stay pristine until they reach artisans and manufacturers. From horse mane to violin bow or luxury car seat, the transformation is remarkable. Each product carries the craftsmanship and natural beauty of horsehair. Horsehair may seem simple, but its journey to luxury products is meticulous and fascinating. This small fiber proves that even the tiniest details can create extraordinary results.